welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 29th, 2025, and we're diving into Norfolk Southern's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Norfolk Southern has been a key player in the freight transportation sector, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Norfolk Southern reported a revenue of $3.0 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
While the revenue saw a slight decline of 2% compared to the same quarter last year, it's important to note that excluding lower fuel surcharge revenue, the operating revenues actually increased by 2% on a 3% volume growth. This indicates a strong underlying demand for their services.
And what about their profitability metrics?
The income from railway operations was $1.1 billion, marking a significant 40% increase from the previous year. The operating ratio improved to 62.6%, showcasing enhanced operational efficiency. Adjusted earnings per share came in at $3.04, which is a 7% increase from the adjusted EPS of the previous year.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.95 for the quarter. How did Norfolk Southern perform against these expectations?
Norfolk Southern exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $3.04, beating the forecast by 0.09 cents. This outperformance is a testament to their effective cost management and operational improvements.
How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
The forecast was based on a survey of 8 analysts, which adds credibility to the consensus and highlights Norfolk Southern's strong execution in surpassing these expectations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Norfolk Southern has been focusing on productivity initiatives. How have these impacted their results, and what does the future hold?
The productivity initiatives have clearly paid off, as seen in their improved operating ratio and income from operations. CEO Mark George emphasized the company's commitment to safety, productivity, and operational excellence, which are driving their current success and positioning them well for future opportunities in 2025.
And what about the Eastern Ohio incident? How has that affected their financials?
Interestingly, for the third consecutive quarter, insurance recoveries related to the Eastern Ohio incident have exceeded the incremental costs, which has mitigated the financial impact and allowed Norfolk Southern to maintain strong performance metrics.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Norfolk Southern has delivered a robust performance in 2024, with significant improvements in both revenue and profitability. John, what are your final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Norfolk Southern has demonstrated strong operational capabilities and strategic foresight. With a full-year revenue of $12.1 billion and an adjusted EPS of $11.85, they are well-positioned for continued growth. Their focus on productivity and operational excellence bodes well for future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Norfolk Southern's performance in the comments below.